Planting seasons are the best seasons for a farmer. When you wake up and you know, the planting season is here, that is when you feel like all is done. You are good to go. And planting seasons means it is rainy seasons. We already harvested our first season. We harvested our first season plants already we have our harvest. Now it's time for the second season. The rain is not yet here fully, but almost. So the land is already prepared, everything bought, and it's time to plant. It's that time for people to plant. We have fertilizer. Some have brought in the fertilizer and the seeds, and in our country government has that subsidy. The fertilizer that has been subsidized, cut by half. I think is cut by half. The 50 kg bag, I think it goes for 2,500 shillings, Kenyan shillings, which is like is it $20? Like $20. But the when you buy this other fertilizer, is like 5,000 Kenyan shillings, that is $50. But we use what we got. Though most people say the subsidized fertilizer at a point is not good. I don't know how true is that, but for us, we tried that. We tried that one that is not subsidized by the government. We got it has a good result. So it's time for the farmer to wait for the rainy time and then plant. Our farms are just ready, waiting for that seed. And my project here, sweet potato. I planted my sweet potatoes here, waiting for the harvest when time comes. The farm is already done, like from that point, from that neighborhood, coming all along. That is our farm to that point. As you continue going down beside the forest. Farm, have you just realized? The farms are ready. People are ready to plant. That is the joy of a farm. That is the joy of being in a village life, right? I'm going to show you. In front of me is our sugarcane farm, and we will plant maize there too. As a farmer, when you just see like your farms are ready, it's time to planting, and you have everything in place, that gives you joy. That is an investment, just like in an organization. When you wake up that morning and you go, you realize your CEO has fantasized, has placed the computers, strong Wi-Fi, everything is on in your office. That is a joy for you, or a plus. That easy, the CEO has given you that easy navigating through it all. It makes work easier. This is our sugarcane farm. You see, it is also, we have also, it's already cultivated. What is remaining is just to lay those seeds in ground and wait for the planting season. Planting season is the best season for the farmer. This is season 2. You saw season 1, we already harvested. We normally harvest on July, August. Then season 2, we normally plant on July, August, September. Yeah, so that is the seasons here. Let me show you in front of me. You see, this is our sugarcane farm. You see, and you see farm, the lands are ready, and you can see this side there are cows. People do plow with cows. You see the cows there. People do plow with cows, or just those manpower. Yeah, even cows, you need people there. They will not plow on their own. It feels nice when you woke up one morning in your office and everything is clean. Their desks are clean, their laptops, the desktops, everything is neat, and the Wi-Fi is strong. CEO has introduced maybe some new machines in your organization that will make you people work swiftly, navigate through those corridors, or navigate through your organization easily, make work easier. It feels wow. For a farmer, it feels nice to see that his farms are ready to plant. The season is here, the rains are here, and it's time to plant. That is the nicest thing for the farm, and that is it. Yeah.